Hey lovers, good everyone. How is everyone doing? How is January treating everyone? Thank you very much for stopping by. It's another beautiful day. You're welcome to Chichi Lifestyle. Please do what to like, do what to comment, do what to subscribe, share, like, comment. Okay? Yeah. So see my new hairstyle. My new hairstyle. How do you see my hair? How do you see my hair? So I just washed my hair yesterday. Yeah. I will still add the video here, the process and everything. See the outcome after I wash it yesterday. So guys, stay tuned to the video as we make awara. The thing for making the awara is this thing, soya beans. So in ours, this is the name that they call it in ours, but I don't for other I have forgotten pafufu something. Yeah, I think so. Pafufu something. So they call it awara in Hausa. Soya bean. Yeah. So stay tuned as we do the awara together, okay? So this soya bean. I'm washing it already. You and grandma, you and grandma, you and grandma. So I'm done washing it. So then we're going to the cupboard. They come back. So I have filtered the. Sorry, I didn't capture the process of. I have ground the soya bean. Now I filter it. So this is this thing. So we are going to start cooking it. Yeah, I'll start cooking, but we'll see if the thing will calm down. If it will not calm down, that means I'll start cooking it till the process. So this is how the outcome after I finish filtering it. Yeah. So at this moment, I've started cooking the after cooking the hour. So our first one I'm going to be using here is the fire here, as you can see. So you see. So when it's boiled, we are going to be putting our water. I will take just take it out because you don't allow the boil to fall there. So guys, as you can see, it's night already. Yeah. So it's night already and I'm still cooking. This is the first one. Oh. I'm not done. This is the first one. I think it's trying to form. So still on the process. So guys, this is past 9 p.m. and I'm still on it to. It's trying to form. I've put the salmon, so it's trying to form. I'm still going to allow it to boil very well. Let's see. So at this moment, I think it has formed already. Yeah, it has formed. So you see them on block. If you check very well, you see them on block. Yeah, it has formed. So I'm going to be removing it. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you all can see, you see the awara. This is the next day. Yeah, early morning is the next day.
So we are going to be cutting it and fry it. You see? So, and here is my stew. I'm making my stew already. We'll be using the stew to eat this. So this is how my children requested it, and I'm making it for them. So this is the process of frying the awara. Yeah, you can see. So you may be wondering why I'm putting it here. Here is my this thing, my maggi. I put it water. Then you have to put it here first before you put it in the fire.